Hi everyone. Today's recipe hot and sour soup with masala papad. For this recipe, required vegetables: sweet corn, gobi, beans, carrot, capsicum, and cabbage, and green onion. Chop all the veggies nicely. Add 15 grams of butter in a kadai. Or soup pan. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, chopped ginger, each 1 teaspoon. Fry them well. Add 1 teaspoon of nicely chopped green chili and add a handful of spring onion. Fry them 1 or 2 minutes. Once softened, then add another vegetables, all sweet corn, capsicum, carrot, cauliflower, cabbage and beans. Take each vegetable 3 to 4 tablespoons. That is enough for 3 to 4 members. Salt well, add 1 teaspoon of salt. It will release the water, then it will fastly cook. Once softened, it need to soft 4 to 5 minutes. Now we add half liter of water. And 2 teaspoon of soya sauce. One teaspoon white vinegar. And 1 teaspoon white pepper powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes again. Once boiled, all ingredients will combine well. Now we add for thickness 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Add 1/4 of water, 1/4 cup of water. Mix well without lumps. Then add required corn flour milk. If it is required 2 tablespoons, add 2 tablespoons. If not enough, add some more. Check this. This is perfect consistency for soup. And boil 2 to 3 minutes. Check the salt and spiciness is enough or not. Not enough, add required pepper powder and salt. Salt is not enough for that, and that's why I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And finally add green onion. Now stove off and immediately serve with masala papad. This papad contains pepper and salt. That's why I am not adding any spiciness for this papad. If you are using plain papad, you can add some salt and red chili powder with onion. Finally, add some spring onions and black pepper powder. It will give you extra taste for our soup. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Then comment. Now tasting time. It's very tasty. In winter season, we should eat compulsorily this soup for a weekly once. Thank you for watching.